Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today we'll be showing you how to fund your account via bank transfer for Nigerian traders. The video is meant for Nigerian traders. We're going to show you how to fund your account on Binance using bank transfer, and I believe you've all signed up for the cryptocurrency trading account. If you have not done so, all you have to do is to visit www.binance.com/en/register?ref equals 138775674 right here. We're going to paste all these links in the video description on YouTube. So after signing up, make sure you subscribe to all our channels. These are our channels. Subscribe to all our channels right here for more videos on the cryptocurrency trading. So these are the sequences we are following. In previous weeks, we released the account sign up video, the account verification process, account funding for global traders using BTC and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. So this video we are covering the account funding for Nigerian traders using the bank transfer option, which is much more easier. So once you sign up for the trading account, all you have to do is to visit your app store if you use an Android device, visit your Play Store if you use an iOS, visit your app store to download the Kuda Bank app. As a Kuda Bank app. Kuda is a licensed bank in Nigeria and is licensed by CBN. And the reason why we are using this app is because most of the people on Binance use the app, and the transaction on Kuda is almost instantly, unlike other banks where you transfer money and someone will not receive it within hours or even maximum of 48 hours or 24 hours. Kuda transactions are almost instant and immediately. So just once you download the Kuda app, register on the Kuda app, enter this referral code 5LEQAHQB. Just use our referral code to sign up on the app. So once you sign up, verify your Kuda account by uploading your international passport, your bank international passport, driver's license or utility bill to verify your account. It might take some few days. So once your account is verified, go back to Binance, log into Binance app, then make sure you also log into your Kuda app as well anytime you want to purchase the USDT tether to fund your account. Once you log into your Binance app, on the home page you click on P2P trading. Once you click on P2P trading, you click on the USDT right there under the buy section. You click on the USDT. Then once you click on it, you can see traders online. This one is selling USDT for fund. USDT is a stable coin which you'll be using to fund your Binance account. So once you fund your Binance account with the USDT, you need to still transfer it from the P2P wallet, because your wallet will be funded, the P2P wallet will be funded. You will now transfer it from P2P wallet to spot. That's where you'll be able to use the fund, because if you don't transfer, you won't be able to use the fund to buy cryptocurrencies. So you can see what they are selling here. All these ones are sellers. You can see sellers, they are online. You see the green option at the edge of their name there. You can see this one is selling for 499 naira.20 for 1 USDT, and it has 242.76 USDT quantity, and the limit is set here is 121,185. That's the minimum you can buy from him. So if you are buying lower amount, you keep scrolling down. This one is selling from 85,630, and it has just 171 USDT. So let's assume you are buying 50 USDT. You just click on buy on that Sonoja, then you enter the amount you are buying, then you click on place order, then immediately the seller's account number will be visible. You can also chat with the seller. So once you see the seller account, most of the sellers, they use Kuda Bank. So, and even if they don't use Kuda Bank, if it is other bank, you will see the account details there. You copy the account number, then you quickly go back to your Kuda app, then you go to payment, send money, you click on send money, then you paste the account number, you select the bank right there. All the banks in Nigeria are here. You select the bank right there, you enter the amount will have been calculated on Binance. You enter the amount, then you send the money to the person in your account. You can also make a screenshot of the transaction. Once you send it, then you quickly go back to your Binance app. Because all the transactions on the P2P last for 15 minutes, maximum of 30 minutes. They mostly last for 15 minutes. So you have to be fast with whatever it is you are doing on the Kuda transfer and the Binance P2P purchase section there. So once the time we even start counting, once you place the order. So once you transfer the money to the seller, you quickly click on, there's a button that will be there as the time is counting. You quickly tap on the button that indicates transferred. Once you tap on that transfer button, the seller will be notified that you've transferred the money. He will confirm the money in his account if he has hit his account, and he will release the tether, and the tether will be credited to your Binance account. So, and once the time is counting and you have not received the fund, you quickly tap the appeal option. Once the time is remaining 1 minute, like I said earlier, you will have like 15 minutes to confirm all the transactions. And the reason why we are using kuda is because all the transactions is almost instant, so the seller cannot say he or she didn't receive the money within that 15 minutes. At most 5 minutes, the seller will have received the money, and the seller must release the tether to your account. So once the seller release the tether to your account, all you have to do is to go back to wallet, click on transfer. Then here you tap on that icon that has yellow this thing. You will now say transfer from P2P wallet to spot. You will now enter, you change this BTC, you change it to USDT, you click on it. You will now enter the amount that the seller credited you will be visible under the available. If it is 50, you type it, then you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, the money will be available for trading on the spot. When you go to trade, you will see the money, it will be available there. You will see there, it will be available there. It will be under AVBL. So that's how to fund your account using the P2P option on Binance using Kuda bank transfer. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming videos on the cryptocurrency trading. Thanks for watching. Bye.